Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we're going to show you how to sell using Webshop in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. To start, let us set up your e-commerce settings. Navigate to e-commerce. Then, select Settings. Customize it based on your needs. Don't forget to click Save. Once all those are good, it's time to add your products. Go to Products. You may connect to Meta Catalog, import products, or simply add the products individually. In this example, let's click on Add Product button. Add your product name. Set the price and add image. Once done, click Save. When you are done adding all your products, it's time to create a flow. In this example, let's create a simple message block to add the Webshop link. Now, it's time to test. There you have it. You just learned how to sell your products using Webshop.
See you in the next video.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.